In a world obsessed with low-carb and keto trends and a growing awareness of sugar intake, the idea of embracing fruits might seem like a conundrum. However, let me assure you, fruits are not to be sidelined. In fact, they can be your allies in promoting a healthy lifestyle thanks to their impressive anti-inflammatory benefits. Today, we're spilling the beans on the 15 best fruits that can level up the fight against inflammation. Okay then, let's start with number 15, cherries. Ah, the joy of biting into the cherries, so tempting. According to the research of Nutrients in 2018, it says that the sweet and tart cherries can lower inflammatory blood proteins. The secret? Stuff like anthocyanins and polyphenolic compounds in cherries. They're responsible for stopping free radicals from causing trouble. And its bonus effect is cherries might even help you catch better sleep, a crucial part of keeping inflammation at bay. Next, number 14, strawberries. When we talk about vitamin C, oranges usually steal the spotlight, right? But hold on, 1 cup of sliced strawberries packs a punch with 98 milligrams of vitamin C. That's over 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement. Now the question is, why does this matter? Well, vitamin C isn't just about fighting off colds, it plays a crucial role in immune functioning, and when your immune system is stressed, inflammation can sneak in. So the next time you're searching for a citrus fix, consider swapping it for the vibrant sweetness of strawberries. Number 13, watermelon. The delight of biting into a cool watermelon on a scorching day. Can you feel me? We all love its sweet, juicy goodness, but did you know it's more than just a thirst quencher? Watermelon brings something special to the table, lycopene. This powerful compound gives watermelon its vibrant pink-red color and acts as a shield against the damage caused by free radicals, which can cause inflammation in the body. So not just a tasty treat, watermelon might also be your ally in keeping inflammation in check. Number 12, apples. Now, apples might not have the same antioxidant status as berries, but they've got their own way of tackling inflammation. Meet the unsung heroes, the fibers in apples, often called prebiotics. They might not be as flashy, but these fibers are game changers in your gut. How? By strengthening the microbes in your gut. It makes your intestinal liner tougher and reduces your pain in the gut. Moving on to number 11, pineapple. Because pineapple boasts bromelain, a super cool enzyme, it helps our bodies with a triple threat: anti-inflammatory, anti-clotting, and even anti-cancer effects. If that's not impressive enough, bromelain in therapeutic doses might just ease the pain for certain types of arthritis. There's even a hint that it could speed up muscle recovery after a hardcore workout by dialing down inflammation. Go on, pineapples! Alright, up next is number 10, avocado. It's easy to forget that avocados are a fruit, and while their nutritional profile looks quite different, this just means avocados offer some anti-inflammatory benefits that you can't get from other fruit. Full of healthy fats, vitamin E, fiber, and carotenoids, avocados team up to calm down inflammation in your body. So when you enjoy some guacamole, you're not just having a tasty snack, you're giving your body a little treat to keep inflammation at bay. How cool is that? Number 9, blueberries. This blue little gem has a compound named polyphenolic that gives them that vibrant purple-blue hue. These compounds also act like superheroes, easing existing inflammation and putting a stop to free radicals trying to stir up new trouble. What I will suggest to you is to toss them into your morning smoothie, and you'll be starting your day with a burst of goodness. What's next is number 8, dragon fruit. Now, let's chat about a fruit that's not just cool to look at, but besides being eye-catching, it's full of good stuff like fiber and antioxidants, including vitamin C, E, B2, and carotenoids. It's like a nutritional treasure hiding in a colorful fruit. So if you're feeling adventurous in the fruit aisle, give dragon fruit a try. Your body will be happy with the extra nutrients. Now, number 7, stone fruits. Peaches, plums, and cherries, these fruits are not just tasty in the summer, they're also packed with good things for your body. They've got antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and anthocyanins and phenolic acid, which is great at relieving the pain. Plus, they bring along a bunch of fiber, making them a great snack. When these fruits are in season, treat yourself. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Number 6, grapes. Not just any grapes, the red and black ones. These guys are like little packages of goodness, especially because of a superhero antioxidant called resveratrol hiding in their skins, which help in relieving pain. And here's a tip: keep that skin on while eating. Why? Because it's not just about resveratrol, it's also loaded with fiber. So when you're munching on grapes, don't be shy, embrace the whole package. Number 5. Pomegranate seeds. Time to turn our attention to those juicy, crunchy, ruby red pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are a potent ally in fighting inflammation due to their rich content of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanin and phenolic acid. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals in the body, which are molecules that can contribute to inflammation. Who knew being healthy could taste this good, right? Number 4. Passion fruit. The exotic gem in the fruit kingdom. It's not just a burst of flavor, it's also a vitamin C powerhouse. And now you know that vitamin C can totally help in inflammation. A mere half cup can give you around 40% of your daily vitamin C needs. Moreover, it can also offer you nearly 50% of the recommended daily fiber intake. So eating passion fruit isn't just delicious, it's a game changer for anti-inflammation. And here we are at number 3. Cranberries. Poor cranberries, they deserve more love year-round. Usually they get their moment in the spotlight during Thanksgiving or when we're warding off urinary tract infections with cranberry juice, but there's so much more to these little red wonders. Cranberries are packed with bioactive compounds, and one superstar among them is quercetin, a flavonoid. These flavonoids have been on the research radar for their anti-inflammatory powers, their ability to prevent artery clogs, and even their anti-cancer effects. So next time you're enjoying cranberries, remember, you're not just having a holiday treat, you're indulging in a tiny, mighty health booster. And now we have number 2, mango. It's not just a summertime favorite, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, which play tag team in the anti-inflammatory game. Plus, they bring in a dose of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that's like a shield against cell damage. And finally, the number 1 is kiwi. Meet the small but mighty kiwi. It might be tiny, but it packs a punch in the health department. Kiwis are bursting with vitamin C, even more than your average orange. This vitamin C powerhouse is fantastic for supporting your immune system and keeping inflammation at bay. So guys, there you have it, your 15 life-changing best foods for anti-inflammation. And if you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable health tips and updates. Your support means the world to us.